How to delete a message in Zangi. Sending a message in Zangi you wish wasn't there. Maybe you sent something by mistake or just want to tidy up a chat. Deleting messages is quick and easy. Let's walk through how to do it. First things first, open up your Zangi app and go to the chat where your message is located. Let me open my Zangi app and let's go to the chat. So this is the chat. For example, I want to delete this voice message right over here. If you have a lot of messages, scroll down until you find the specific message you want to remove. Then simply select it, long press on it. Then you will see a little menu pop up, probably with the option for the reaction, forwarding, and importantly delete. You can see a dustbin or a delete button right over here as a second option. Simply tap on it. Zangi will likely give you a choice here. You just have to make sure that you want to delete this message right over here. Either you want it to delete for yourself or delete for everyone. If you want to delete for yourself, simply tap on delete. And if you want to delete it for everyone, simply check this box right over here, then tap on delete and poof, the message is gone. Remember, delete for everyone usually have a time limit or condition depending upon the app version. But delete for me is always available on your site. And that's it. Your message should now be removed from your conversation view. Simple as that. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.